So just take a deep breath and just release it. And say out loud, I feel uncomfortable forgiving myself. I'm just rated. Where does that feel? Does that feel like, oh no, I'm not going to forgive myself, that's a 10? Or is it, well, I guess I could try, maybe it's a 7. Wherever it is, just remember it. And you can close your eyes and just stimulate one acupressure point. One of the easiest to do is the, here on the chest, the collarbone point. I'll go ahead and move through if you want to keep your eyes open and watch. So we're going to start here on the karate chop. Even though I didn't know I could forgive myself, I honor and embrace how I feel. Even though I'm resistant to forgiving myself, I honor and embrace how I feel. Even though I'm not sure, forgiving myself will make things better. I honor and embrace how I feel. Okay, eyebrow. All this doubt fills my entire being. Side of the eye. This uncertainty keeps me stuck. Under the eye. This fear keeps me from living a full life. Nose. I'm not sure. Forgiveness will make me a better person. Chin. I've held on to this pain for so long. Collarbone. I'm just so afraid that I will make the same mistakes again. Under the arm. Forgiveness is supposed to be the gift you give yourself. So why am I so nervous about it? Side of the wrist here. I don't know if I can handle the emotion involved in the forgiveness process. Top of the head. Why have I always thought forgiving myself is so tough? Eyebrow. I don't understand the forgiveness process. I'm not even sure I should forgive myself. Side of the eye. Forgiveness makes me feel vulnerable. I just don't feel like I deserve it. Under the eye. Just the thought of forgiving myself makes me feel weak. Under the nose. My mind says don't do it. Chin. My soul questions, are you sure?